Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to perform this cleanup in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for this cleanup. Here you can see this cleanup. You have to click on this. Now select your file. Then click on OK. Now you have to select your file to delete. Then click on OK. So this is how to perform this cleanup in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.